Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2013 Nissan Titan. This four-door, five-passenger truck will allow you to take command of the road with confidence. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Nissan prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by one-touch window functionality, a rear step bumper, an outside temperature display, front fog lights, a trailer hitch, and remote keyless entry. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.